The E-Z-GO RXV is available in several different styles and colors. The colors that you can get the E-Z-GO RXV in are almond, black, bright white, platinum, burgundy, inferno red, ivory, patriot blue, forest green, metallic charcoal, ocean gray, and slate gray. This particular golf cart is black. The seats on this particular golf cart are the premium sort, although you can get a standard flat bench on them as well. These are available in black, premium gray, stone beige, and tan. The color you see here today is the premium gray. The RXV has many things that separate it from a lot of other golf carts. The cup holders, you have 4 sets of cup holders with a lot of storage space there to throw your phones and keys and everything. They do still set it up for golfing if you would like to take them on the course. So you'll have several areas where you can put your balls, and then other sections here for wallets and phones and other things like that. Lockable glove boxes are optional. The standard glove boxes will just be open, but this unit tends to have the lockable glove box on it. Forward, neutral, and reverse here will be located on the key switch, and that is because it has an automatic parking brake. So there's no manual brake that you have to click in order to park the RXV. It just has an automatic brake that will actually stop and lock it into place whenever it's stopped. Every model will come with 2 USBs, headlights in some form. You have several options of the headlights, which include the standard, and then they have premium, which involve turn signals, and then they have signature lights as well, which have a halo light on it, which will light up in several different colors. They always come with a horn as well here. The honeycomb floorboard is a nice touch too, to kind of tie it all in together and make it feel really nice. Every RXV comes with a Samsung lithium-ion battery. This battery has a 8-year warranty on it and an expected lifespan of 10 or more years. The charger is optional. You can get different styles. This one is the cheapest option. It's called the World Charger that you see here. This one is removable. We just have it resting in here to keep it with the cart. I'd recommend keeping it in your garage or some other storage area when you use it, and then park and charge it. You can also get an optional onboard charger here, and what this does is kind of eliminates the need for carrying your charger around if you're going to charge it in multiple different locations. And also the onboard charger is a rapid charger, so it will charge the battery a bit faster. This model as well will have a lot of golfing equipment on it. When you get the 2-seater version, it comes with the bag attachment standard, and it has a nice little deep basket in here to put stuff. A couple add-ons that we added to this, which are recommended for all of them if you're going with the golfing model, is a cooler on this side, ball washer, club washer right here, which they can be switched whichever side you prefer. And then we have a rain cover for your clubs as well here. On the 4-passenger unit, you will have a matching set of seats that is just like the one on the front right here on the rear, so you can get the standard or premium, whichever one that you want. And then that seat will come with integrated cup holders and a rear grab bar as well. There are also several options available on the wheel and the tire on these units. That if you go online or if you talk to one of our representatives, we can walk you through some of the options that you have there. And there's optional mirrors and speakers and all sorts of awesome accessories that you can add to these things. But yeah, the RXV is America's #1 golfing golf cart, and it's growing really quickly in the recreational side as well with their 4-passenger units. My name is Matt. I'm a salesman here at Dean Team Golf Carts, so go ahead and give us a call if you'd like, and you can ask for me too if you want. Our number is 314-647-4000. Thanks.